So if I was doing this page, levels of organization, we just covered this in class, topic 3, lesson 1. So this was kind of our introduction to body systems. Together in class, we covered atom all the way up to organism. We covered species towards the beginning of the year and kind of touched a little bit on population through ecosystems. So just know that down towards the bottom here is where it would be the smallest, and it gets bigger as you go all the way up to ecosystems. So this would be big and this would be small. I'll just kind of jump in here. We know the definition of an atom. We covered that as the smallest part of an element. And just a simple little picture. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Here, I'll change my color of my pen here, but it has a little thing on the inside and then just some rings around it. Kind of like looks like if you watch the Big Bang Theory, it kind of looks like that's in the title of the Big Bang Theory. This is also in a picture on the PowerPoint under levels of organization. So let's keep going up the list. What's a molecule? A molecule are atoms that are bonded together. I guess kind of maybe the most famous one would be the Mickey Mouse molecule. Kind of looks something like this, I guess. Oxygen, and then it has two little hydrogen and hydrogen. So that would be H2O, which is water. You can also kind of make it look like this. Let's get a different color. And then I'll go back to my little blue there. There you go, H2O. We drew a little molecule of water. Organelle, tiny organ, right? So tiny organ. They are the special structures inside a cell. That do very specific jobs. What's the most famous organelle? The mighty mitochondria. It's the powerhouse of the cell, right? Definition of a cell: it is the smallest unit of structure and function. The basic unit of life. And what am I going to draw for that? I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to give it a little nucleus. Let's see. Here we go. A little nucleus. We'll draw in some mitochondrias. Little lysosomes maybe, or I guess those could be ribosomes because they're tiny little dots. Let's put in a endoplasmic reticulum and a Golgi body. There we go. Look at us go. Tissue. These are groups of cells that work together. to do a specific job. So tissue, I guess this one's kind of hard, but let's see, you could draw bone. Let's see, a bone, because that's a tissue. You could draw, I guess you can get real fancy if you wanted to, and we could draw, if you remember looking at the cheek cells that we did, do you remember? That's epithelial tissue. We talked about the 4 kinds: connective tissue, nervous tissue, muscle tissue. Oh, we just looked at what muscle tissue looked like in class, so you could draw muscle tissue. All right, an organ. Groups of tissues. That work together to do a job. What do we want to draw for an organ? Liver's easy. Here we go. That's terrible. Here, liver. What can we draw? Let's see, a stomach. Oh, that's horrible. I am not an artist, so we have a liver, we have a stomach. Good enough? Hopefully that's good enough, because it's awful. Organ system. These are groups of organs working together. What do I want to draw here? Let's see, can I get away with, ooh, Lord help me. Lungs? Which would be the respiratory system, organ system. The best I can do there, I guess. Organism, it can carry out all of the functions of life. So a living thing that can carry out all the functions of life. So I'm just gonna stick figure it. Yay! You are an organism. So for the interest of, I guess, making it easy, species, groups of similar organisms that can mate and produce offspring. So let's see if I can get fancy here. Can I draw a rabbit? We could do species of rabbits. Rabbits is a species.